So basically, it turns out, thanks to improvements in technology, the webosphere, and software vendors, that PDM is actually getting easier to use, and I think Product Point is actually on the leading edge of this. Most of the software used to be that you had to spend a fair amount of time writing software to customize it. Today, that's probably no longer much of the case. Instead, you configure the software with a series of questions. Web-based technology, everybody's got that. Internet 2.0 allows access into your environment relatively easy. Of course, you have to manage the data access there. Installations are kind of becoming one click, so although that's maybe 2 or 3 clicks, but definitely installing is easier. A lot of the vendors, and I know PTC also subscribe to this, offer easy start services, on-site training, data bring over, so you can really get started in weeks. I've even heard days in some cases. Another alternative might be remote hosting of all the IT or outsourcing the IT with remote hosting or cloud-based alternatives. Change control, which is always an issue, is really becoming common in PDM systems. It didn't used to be, but it is today. Pretty important. Interface ERP exists. Lots of good interface to drive the system over to your manufacturing, execution, and financial systems. One area that is still being worked on and needs some work, but you know, every mechanical product today probably has some electrical, maybe even software and control system aspects. PDM systems are struggling to actually integrate all of these together, not so much from the storage, but the interaction. And finally, one thing that Product Point really does well is it integrates with SharePoint, which is an open way for your corporation to access all kinds of document kind of shared data.